Deep in the heart of Bali's jungle, there is a place where learning is an adventure, a place where language comes to life, not just in books, but in nature, in friendships, and in real-world experiences.
So, what is Green School English Camp? It's where students aged 7 to 12 can come here to learn English, meet new international friends, learn about sustainable education, learn experiential learning, eat good foods, and having fun. Hi everyone, my name is Dira. I'm from Yogyakarta and I'm one of the lead facilitator at Green Camp Bali, and I'm also one of the lead teacher at Green School English Camp. The main goal of this camp is to boost students' confidence in speaking English and to nurture their love to learn English. It's designed for 10 days camp with different theme for each week and different project each week, ended by a very fun presentation as a celebration of their learning.
Here, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about discovery. Through an interdisciplinary approach, we integrate English with hands-on projects, making learning meaningful and fun. Our experiential approach encourages students to learn by doing, whether it's building adiorama using recyclable materials, conducting a water filter experiment, or creating and telling their own stories.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm one of the lead facilitator at Green Camp Bali and one of the facilitator at Green School English Camp.
As they immerse themselves in this English-speaking environment, they gain more than just language skills. They develop independence, teamwork, and a love for learning. Every moment here is an opportunity to connect with the environment and with each other. Through holistic and relevant learning experiences, students not only become stronger English communicators, but also critical thinkers, problem solvers, and global citizens.
Hello, my name is Kale. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Germany. I learn teamwork and English. The kayaking is very cool. And the water filter making and the cooking. It's cool to cook.
Hi, I am Johanna. I'm 10 years old. I am from Norway. This is chocolate making and all things is so good. And it's good friends.
Green School English Camp is more than just a camp. It's a bridge to a future of confidence, creativity, and lifelong learning.